Tired of scrolling through hundreds of hotels on Expedia trying to narrow things down? You type in a destination and suddenly you're drowning in options. It's overwhelming. But here's the good news. You can filter by star rating in just a few clicks and find your perfect stay instantly. No more guessing, no more endless scrolling, just the hotels that actually fit what you're looking for. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Expedia's star rating filter, from the very first search all the way to booking. It's straightforward, and once you know how to do it, you'll never waste time on irrelevant listings again. Follow along with these simple steps. Alright, let's start by heading over to Expedia.com. Open up a new tab and type it in, or click the bookmark if you've got one saved. It doesn't matter which browser you're using, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, they all work the same way here. Now once the page loads, you'll see the main navigation menu near the top. Go ahead and click on the option that says Stays. This is where we tell Expedia that we're looking for a place to sleep, not a flight or a car rental. It's a small click, but it makes a big difference in what you see next. And here's where the real planning begins. You'll see fields for your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests. Type in where you want to go. Maybe it's a beach town, a big city, or a quiet mountain escape. Then pick your check-in and check-out dates. Don't forget to adjust the guest count. If you're traveling with kids or friends, you want to make sure the results show rooms that actually fit everyone. This step is easy to rush through, but taking an extra second here saves headaches later. Once you've got everything filled in, click the blue search button. This might take a moment to process, and then you'll land on the results page. Now this is where things used to get messy, but not anymore. See that section that says Filters? It's usually on the left side of the screen if you're on a computer, or at the top if you're on a phone. Click on it. This is your control center. This is where you take all those hundreds of random listings and tell Expedia, I only want to see what matters to me. Now pay attention to this one. Under star rating, you'll see options like 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, and sometimes even 2-star or unrated. Select the rating you're looking for. Maybe you're on a budget and 3-star is perfect. Or maybe it's a special occasion and you want 5-star luxury. Just click the box, and instantly the page updates. The clutter disappears. What you're left with are only the hotels that match your chosen star rating. It feels like magic, but it's really just a smart filter. Take a moment to review the updated results. You'll notice the difference immediately. Fewer options, but much more relevant ones. You can scan the names, the prices, the photos, all without that dizzying feeling of having too many choices. When you spot a hotel that looks promising, click on it. This will open up the full details page with room types, amenities, guest reviews, and the final price. And from here, you're ready to book with confidence. So there you have it. From being overwhelmed by hundreds of listings to confidently filtering by star rating in just seconds. It's a small trick, but it saves so much time, and now you know exactly how to do it. Happy travels and happy booking.